A very good morning to all of you students. I hope all of you are good at your places. Students, in our previous class, we have completed the assignment 2.12. Now in this class, I am going to start the next assignment, that is 2.13. So student, in this assignment, we are going to discuss about the conversions. The how can we convert from meter to kilometer, meter to centimeter, centimeter to decameter, and decameter to decimeter, and something like this. So for these conversions, this understand, you can say, you have to learn this sentence, that is, King Harry died, mother did not cry much. See, it is a short trick to learn all the conversions, that is K. Here students, K stands for kilometer, K stands for kilometer, H stands for hectometer, H stands for hectometer, okay. This stands for decameter. This stands for decameter, and M stands for meter. Okay. This stands for decimeter. C for centimeter, and M for millimeter. Okay. So this is the short trick to just learn all these conversions. Okay. So students, just remember one thing in this conversion. If we are here, like if we are here, and if we have to go into the right side, if we have to go into the right side, then we have to multiply. Okay, then we have to multiply. And if we have to go to the left side, if we have to go to the left side, then we have to divide. Okay, and by which number we have to multiply and divide? The number of units that we will skip, okay, then we have to multiply or divide by the same number of zeros. For example, students, if I convert 1 kilometer into meter, if I just convert 1 kilometer into meter, students, see, kilometer is here and I have to go to meter. So 1, 2 and 3. See, I am here right now at kilometer, okay. And I have to reach here. So 1 position, 2 position, and it is the 3rd position. So total are there 1, 2 and 3 positions. So I have to multiply it by 1 and 3 zeros. So 1 kilometer, 1 multiply by 1 and 3 zeros, because there are total 3 places. So it will be 1000 meter. Okay students. Okay, if I just have to convert 1 hectometer into centimeter, 1 hectometer into centimeter, students. See, now I am here, students. Now I am here and I have to move till this point. I have to move till this point. So, first, second, third, and fourth position, students. From here, I have to reach here. So, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 places. And I have to go to the right hand side. So to go to the right hand side, I have to multiply the things. So 1 multiplied by 1 and 4 zeros. Okay. So the answer will be 10,000 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, students, if I have 1 decimeter, and I have to convert into kilometer, 1 decimeter into kilometer I have to convert. So now students, I am here. Now I am here, students, and I have to go here. So first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. I have to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 place. Okay, but I have to go to the left hand side. If I have to go to the left hand side, I have to multiply the zeros. So it will be 1 divided by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there. So 1 and 4 zeros. So the answer will be 0.0001. Okay, and it will be in kilometer now. Okay, students. So I hope all of you understand these conversions. Now I'm going to start the assignment. Okay. So the first question, first part. So the first part is, students, convert. I have to convert. First question, first part. convert 14.25 kilometer, 14.25 kilometer into millimeter. I have to convert 14.25 kilometer into millimeter. That means right now I am here and I have to go till this place. And I have to go till this place. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So there are total 6 blanks or 6 places and I have to go to the right hand side. So I have to multiply it. Therefore it will be 14.25 as it is multiplied by 1 and total places are 6. So 6 zeros. So 3 and 3, 6 zeros. So it will be 1425 upon. See, after decimal there are 2 digits. So just write 2 zeros and here I have to write 6 zeros. So just cancel them out. Okay. And it will be 1425 and the remaining 3 zeros. Now it is in millimeter. Okay, students. Now, student, moving forward to our question number, first question, second part, student. That is, we have to convert 264 decimeter. 264. See, decimeter can be written as, students, this dm. Okay, decimeter can be written as this dm and deca can be written as like this. So 264 dm into kilometer students. Okay, so 264. So 264 decimeter. That means we are here now, students, and from here into kilometers. So first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. So I have to go here, but student, I have to go to the left hand side. From here, I have to go to the left hand side. So to go to the left hand side, I have to divide the things. So students, it will be 264 divided by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there. So divided by 4 zeros. Okay, now this will be, see, there are total 4 zeros. So I have to put the decimal before 4 places. But there are total 3 digits. Sorry, yes, 3 digits. So put an extra 0. So it will be 264 and a decimal here. Okay, or I can just write it like this and it will be in kilometer now. Okay, students. So this is our complete first question. Okay, now moving forward, student, to our question number second. Now moving forward to our question number second, students. That is, first part is convert 25 meter into kilometer. 25 meter into kilometer, students. So 25 meter, students. See, I am here now, students, and I have to move to the kilometer. That means 1, 2 and 3 place. So, and that is on the left hand side. I have to move to the left hand side. So I have to divide it. So this divided by 1, 2 and 3. So 1 and 3 zeros here. Okay. Now this will be in kilometer. So if I just write it like, see, in denominator I have 3 zeros. So I have to put an extra 0 here. Okay. And if I just put a decimal here and extra 0 here, so now it will be in kilometer. So our answer is 0.025 kilometer. Okay. Now, student, question number second part is convert 25 kilometer into meter. 25 kilometer into meter, students. So students, now what I have to do, from this point I have to go to meters till this point. Now from this point I have to move here. So that means I have to move to the right hand side, and to move to the right hand side I have to multiply it. So this can be written as 25 multiplied by 1, 2, 3 places are there. So write a 1 and 3 zeros now. So the answer will be 25 and 3 zeros. Okay. Now the answer is 25,000 meter. Okay, students. Now moving forward to our question number 3, students. See, in this part we have to convert 11.25 meter into millimeter. From meter, we have to go millimeter. So from this point, I have to go 1, 2, and third position, and to the right hand side, to the third position. So just take this number, okay, and multiply it by 1 and 3 zeros, because I have to go to the right hand side to the third place. So multiply it by 3 zeros. So 1125 as it is upon 100. Okay, because after decimal there are two digits. So just put 2 zeros in denominator, and if I just multiply these numbers, 2 zeros cancel out with these 2 zeros number. Answer will be 1125 multiplied by 0. So it will be 11,250 millimeters, students. Okay, so this is our answer. Now student, in second part students, from 11.25 millimeter I have to go to the meter. That means from this point I have to go 1, 2 and third position, but to the left hand side. So if I have to go to the left hand side, I have to divide the number. See, 1, 2 and 3. The third place. So to the third place, so I have to divide it by 3 zeros. So 11.25 divided by 1 and extra 3 zeros. Okay, students. So students, then in denominator we have 3 zeros now. So now just shift this decimal to the third digit before 11. So 1, 2, so put an extra 0. So 1, 1, 2, 5, and put an extra put a decimal here and an extra 0 here. So it will be in meter now. Okay. Now the third part, students, I have to convert 3.7 centimeter into meter. That means from this point I have to go to this point. That means 1 and 2 places I have to cover in the left hand side. So if I have to go from this point to the left hand side, then I have to divide the number, and to the second place I have to go. So 3.75 divided by 2 zeros, okay, because I have to go to the second place in the left hand side direction. So the answer will be, students, see, from this point I have to shift it from before, because I am dividing this number. So 2 digits I have to skip. So 3, 7, 1 digit is skipped. So just put an 0 extra here. Okay, so it will be 0.37. 0.037, students. Now it is in meters. Okay. Now moving forward to our part 4, students, I have to convert 3.7 meter into centimeter. I have to convert 3.7 meter into centimeter. That means from this point I have to go till this point. So 1 and 2 places in the right hand direction. I have to go to the right hand direction, so I have to multiply the number. So 3.7 can be written as 37 by 10. Okay, and I have to multiply it by 100. So 0 cancel out with this 0. So answer is 370. Now it is in meters. Centimeters, student. Now the fifth part, student, I have to convert 35 gram into kilogram. So from grams, okay. So students, I haven't discussed gram and kilogram to you. So let me first discuss with all of you these things. Just for your knowledge, I am telling you that 1 kg, till now I am just telling you 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, this is very basic unit as we use this in our daily life also. That is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So gram is the smaller unit and kilogram is the bigger unit. Similarly, see, kilometer is the bigger unit and meter is the smaller unit. So if I have to go from kilometer to meter, I have to multiply the things, and if I have to go from meter to kilometer, I have to divide the thing. Same thing goes here. So if 35 gram converted into kilogram, that means from smaller unit I have to go to the bigger unit. That means I have to divide. So 35 gram when converted into kilogram. So there is a gap of 1000. So just divide it by 1000, because from smaller unit, I have to go to the bigger unit. Okay. So when we go from smaller unit to the bigger unit, I have to divide the thing. And when I just go from bigger thing to a smaller thing, then I just multiply the thing. Okay. So if I just divide these two numbers, now in denominator I have 3 zeros. So I have to put decimal before 3 zeros. Two digits are already there. So I put an extra 0 to make it 3 digits. So a decimal here now. Or it can be written as like this, and the answer is in kilogram now. Okay. Now student, this part 35 gram is converted to grams. I have to convert 35 kilogram into gram. So from a bigger unit I have to go to the smaller unit. From bigger unit I have to go smaller unit. And the relation between 1 kg and gram is of 1000. So from bigger I have to go smaller, so I have to just multiply it. So 35 when multiplied by 1000, it will be 35,000 student, and the answer is in gram. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this thing. Okay, the remaining portion, that is I have to convert this 3.7 milligram into gram. I have to just convert 3.7 milligram into gram, students. Okay, let's see who can do this sum. So this is your homework, students. Okay, so all of you just complete these 3 questions, and in next video I'm going to discuss with you. Till then, just try to solve this part. Okay, just by yourself without seeing the solution, just try to solve this part. Okay, so till then, just be safe and be at home, and I'm going to see you in your next class. Okay, thank you.